Go to Canva and choose Instagram Portrait.
Upload and import your 2 images. Then go to Apps. Type Blend Image. Use this. Select Image. Then click Use Selected Image. And select this image as the top layer. Change the blend mode to Lighten. Then click Add to Design. These 2 more images are unnecessary, so we'll delete them. And make this fit the page. From Uploads, re-enter this image. And make this fit the page. Go to Flip and select Flip Vertical. Go to Apps again.
Type Image Blender.
Use this. Select the image and click Blend Selected Image.
Select Radial.
Use these points and make the size smaller. And I place it on her shoulder. Also reduce strength. Then click Save. Download this page as a PNG. Add a new page. And change its color with this color code.
Upload the image you downloaded. Click BG Remover.
And make this fit the page.
Go to Adjust, click Auto Adjust, and follow this setting. Go to Elements, type Birds Silhouette. And choose whichever one you want from the graphics section. And yes, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more tutorials about Canva.